Welcome to Maintenance Minute. I'm Chauncey, your host. Today we're going to show you how to change your air filter. First thing you're going to do is remove your cover by removing these two lugs at the top. Take your door down. This here will expose your air filter. Biggest thing you want to remember, the direction of airflow. This here will go into this system. So you want the air to go through this way into there. You're going to remove your old filter. Place your new filter in. You're going to put your door back on. It's easy as that. If you have any issues with your air conditioning system, please let us know